Recently, a prospect reached out and wanted a clarification on what a finished and a furnished apartment is. Hi, my name is Fully. So in my response to that inquiry, I thought to make this video. Let's dive right in. So there is a fully furnished apartment and there is the semi-furnished apartment. Now, what is a fully furnished apartment or a furnished apartment? Just as the name says, all you need to do is just bring your personal belongings, your clothing, your food items, and any other personal items you have. Every other thing you would need is already in the house. Wow! A set of chairs, TV sets, your AC, light is done, everything that you need, including up to the kitchen, bedrooms, the bedrooms and all of that are all fully furnished. And sometimes we call it turnkey. You just put your key in and turn it, and then you are inside and you are home. Wow! Semi-furnished, not totally furnished. So there are some items that will be available to you, say in the kitchen, the sitting room, the bedrooms, the toilets, or the conveniences. They will be furnished, but it's semi-furnished. I hope you get the difference between the two. That is for both fully furnished and semi-furnished. Comparing it to a finished apartment, this means the apartment is fully finished. Most of the houses you see out there are delivered fully finished. That means the developer built it, painted it, he put lights, chandelier, and the rest of it. The kitchen is well done, cabinets, the zinc, the washer, maybe sometimes microwave. Mind you, there won't be any furniture in it. So in a finished apartment, you don't have any furniture whatsoever. It's just a fully delivered, finished. And all you need to do is bring your items, your chairs, AC, your beds, every other thing you need to live in the house, your kitchen appliances, your home appliances, you bring all of them by yourself. So the developer has nothing to do with your home anymore. It's delivered to you fully finished. There is what we call a semi-finished, or we sometimes call it custom built, meaning the developer, with your agreement, will not finish the apartment. So the apartment will be done to say maybe 60-70% finished. So the outside will be done as if it's finished, painted, but the inside, there will be some things that are not available. Maybe say the bedroom wares, kitchen appliances, but everywhere will be separated. Sometimes they might do the floors for you, and sometimes they might not do the floors for you. So that is a semi-finished apartment. Now, I hope you can relate what a fully finished and a semi-finished is, and then relate it to what a semi-furnished apartment is to a fully furnished apartment. There are differences in all of them. Fully furnished, semi-furnished, it means there will be some form of home appliances in the house. Fully finished and semi-finished, there won't be any home appliances, any whatsoever. You are the one that will bring that to your home. So I hope with this video, I've been able to educate you a little bit on what a fully finished is compared to what a fully furnished apartment is. And this is Benga Philip saying thank you for watching. If you like this video, do well to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, and see you in another video. Bye for now.